All right. Hey, I'm back, guys. So today is the 7th of July. Uh, time is 10. So what happened is that because earlier I got an issue with the uh, with my hotkey, right? Because the way I trade is this: I have this list of hotkey. It's like when you're playing game, right? So I have this list of hotkey that automatically send the order without me pushing all of this button on the montage. So this is all my hotkey, right? For example, I have the hotkey on the numpad. So number 0 on the numpad saying that says by 100% of my buying power. So number 2 is by 30%, 30 shares, 100 shares, 200 shares. So you guys can see that my share is actually not big, right? So you can see I usually enter position at 200 shares, 100 shares. I only enter at 100% buying power only if I'm absolutely sure, right? I'm absolutely sure I can manage the risk to reward ratio, and yeah. So the largest shares I got is 500. So I have 500 shares. That's the maximum number of shares that normally I take, right? So I think there is a mistake on my numpad because it's just usually if it didn't happen. I realized that when I trade and when I trade INO, right? What did I do? Yeah, I trade INO, which is this one. So when I trade INO, suddenly it's just automatically give me a short position, which freaks me out, right? Because I'm not going short. In anything, I'm trying to go long, which is, look at this, it's very nice. So when I try to go, yeah, so when I try to go, somehow it's short my position, and I suddenly lost $50, right? And that's just messed up my whole psychology in the morning. I should have stopped trading in the first 5 minutes. That's not really my strong suit. So the first trade that I took is very nice actually. Is WKHS. So WKHS, the stock started strong. So when it started strong, closing above the VWAP, which is this blue line right here. So I enter long. Stop loss is this 200. So I enter when the stock move past 200 moving average. So I enter here and quickly scalp, right? So that's WKHS. Yeah, so INO, which is a really bad trade, right? So I hate it. And also, so since I messed up my trading with INO, so my psychology also messed up trading NVAX. So I try to go long because I know the stock is strong, right? So on the daily chart, it's just jumped 40%, right? NVAX, this is some kind of pharmaceutical company. So jumps 40%. So I know technically this stock is strong. So it's just the location, which is what is my entry point? That's important, right? Entry point is important because that signifies your risk to reward ratio, right? So when I enter here, the stock quickly drops, right? This is a bad mistake when on the first trade. It's just I should not trade like this. This is a rookie mistake, right? And I quickly exit. But I realized that this is the VWAP. A lot of this a lot of this support here on these moving averages. So I quickly enter heavy position and scalp on the way out, right? So it's this, I think this is all-time high. Yeah, all-time high. Yeah, so it's all-time high. So that's the trade. So it ended up nicely. So I ended the day with 2%. Well, actually, maybe slightly 2.5%. So yeah, that's the trade for today. And yeah, I apologize for the first session. I didn't know that happened. Okay, so my name is Michael from Aegis.CMEG.